Hey guys, Kevin Z here. I'm coming to you live from Collision in Toronto, my hometown. Super happy to have this conference here. We were actually live at a booth all day yesterday, and I was wanting to go live, but to be honest, we had a lot of clients around our booth. There was so much activity. I wasn't able to go live yesterday, but I wanted to just say hello to everybody today. I know it is Wednesday, so we're trying to do some Wi-Fi Wednesday calls today, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick run through of what is happening here, and just give you a quick look at this event. So it is, tons of people here. There's over 25,000 people that are slated to be in Toronto for this event. And we actually had some of our partners come meet us yesterday. Thanks to those who came out to say hello. I know I did post a few days ago about us being in the group. So yeah, we are there, and we were there, I should say. And today we're just walking around the show. And there you can see AWS up there. We actually had a great talk with Cisco. So we're going to be doing a lot of work with Cisco moving forward. And here's a bunch of startups and different stuff. And if you guys haven't made it to a tech conference before, I highly recommend it because there's just so many people, so many things to learn. Just really all around awesome. And definitely, as you can see, that's like one of the startup incubators. This is the conference really for startups. There's a lot of other conferences out there. I highly recommend if you guys are doing anything with local or trying to break through. There's nothing really that beats getting out into an actual real life environment with people, talking face to face, shaking hands. Obviously there's a lot of work to be done. So if you guys go and try to figure out also your own BIAs, your own little meetups in your own areas. You don't really have to wait for a big conference. If you're in a rural area where you don't really get the advantage of 25,000 people rushing into your city that you can go talk to. You don't have to be big. You can also go to a lot of small locations. You can connect with a lot of local people, and it really works for everyone. I just can't say enough about getting out there in person and talking to people face to face. I mean, that's how deals are done. And just really wanted to use this video, if anything, to encourage all of you to get out there selling in your area, because to be honest, just get out there, talk to people. You're going to see a huge difference. You'll be able to communicate what you guys do. And I assure you that if you get out there and do that, you're going to just see a huge ROI on the time spent on your networking. So that being said, the number one message for today's video is get out there and network, go to your local events, get out there and share your story. Tell people what you do, the benefit you offer, try to find your right target audiences, and you will definitely get an ROI on that time. Coming to you live from Collision, my name is Kevin Z, and I will try to go live again tomorrow. I know I'm speaking on stage here. You can actually see my badge over here. And there's the My Wi-Fi t-shirt. And we're going to be doing a lot of talk about My Wi-Fi here. And again, if you guys are in Toronto and you want to make it out tomorrow, I'll be on stage at 11:30 on the growth stage. I'm looking to get a recording to you guys as well as soon as we get that live on YouTube. And we'll go ahead and do that as soon as we can get that going. Anyways, take care, everyone. Sorry I didn't do the Wi-Fi Wednesdays on the normal time today. I was just super swamped with meetings. But I will be sure to get things back on track next week in addition to a whole bunch of new training. So keep an eye out for that. And if you have any questions, contact support. And I'll see you in the Facebook group. Take care.